Plastic waste. It's everywhere, and for years it's felt like an unsolvable mess. But what if I told you there's a way not just to clean it up, but to turn it into gold? Well, not actual gold, but something just as valuable for any chemical professional, profitable chemicals, new materials, and fresh business opportunities. Welcome to the world of molecular recycling, the game changer the industry's been waiting for. Unlike old-school recycling, where materials get downgraded or lost altogether, molecular recycling breaks plastic down to its very core, the molecular building blocks. From there, you can rebuild it into high-value chemicals, fuels, even virgin-quality plastics. The result? A true circular economy that keeps resources flowing and profits growing. Imagine transforming plastic waste into a renewable resource. Imagine slashing your reliance on fossil fuels, hitting tough sustainability targets, and still driving profitability. Sounds ambitious? It's happening right now, with technologies like pyrolysis, depolymerization, even AI-optimized processes. These aren't just buzzwords. They're your pathway to resilient supply chains and fresh revenue streams. This isn't just for the boffins in the lab. If you're an R&D chemist, a process engineer, part of an OEM design team, or even managing operations and supply chains, this training is for you. It's for anyone who wants to master advanced recycling tech, unlock revenue from waste, tackle industry headaches like feedstock variability or regulation, and lead the way in sustainable innovation. Leading industry expert will take you from the basics, what molecular recycling is, how it works, why it matters, right through to the nuts and bolts, pyrolysis, depolymerization, gasification, and the latest breakthroughs. We'll look at real-world applications, business models, and how to scale up. We don't shy away from the tough stuff either. The challenges, the opportunities, and the future trends you need to know. Ready to turn waste into wealth? Don't just watch the green economy happen, lead it. Register now in the Molecular Recycling Expert-led training, and let's transform plastic waste into profits together. To register, click on the link in the description, or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And you can also check out newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy. For thousands of training courses across 100+ domains, including adhesives, coatings, polymers, beauty and cosmetics industry, sustainability, circular economy, artificial intelligence, EVs, and more.